So good morning once again, moms and sirs. For the participating barangay and industrial category, there will be no entrance of teams. Instead, you will reposition yourselves in front of our stage, and during the yell or chant, you will come forward here in the open area for your chant and yell. Binisaya o murag Bisaya naman tingali tanan dire. Murag ako pinagalit sa English na. Okay, usbon ako ha. Wala na yung entrance sa participants. But, naatay, of course, kay bawo naman mo nga naatay yell and chant per team, no? So, para makita lang gihapon ang inyong kaaniya kung kagwapo, ani mo diri mo present sa atubangan. Nagid akong hawan dia intended para sa chant o